Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will discuss about non-international armed conflict. We know non-international armed conflict means the armed conflict between governmental authority and armed groups within a state, or an armed conflict between organized armed groups within a state. Okay. Here no involvement of foreign government. That's mean it will not be occur between two states. If it occur between two states, it will be treated as international armed conflict. To become non-international armed conflict, an armed conflict must satisfy two conditions. Number one, the conflict must reach a minimum level of intensity. And secondly, the parties involved in the conflict must show a minimum level of organization. Okay. And International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, in the case of the prosecutor versus Ramos Haradinaj, mentioned some indicative factors by which we can ascertain the minimum level of intensity in the armed conflict. One of these is the number and duration and intensity of individual confrontation, and the next one is the type of weapons and other military equipment used in the conflict. Number three, the number and caliber of munition fired during the armed conflict. Then the number of persons and type of forces partaking in the fighting. Fifthly, the number of material destruction, how much destruction occurs during the conflict. Number six, the number of civilians fleeing the combat zones. And finally, the number seven factor is the involvement of UNSC. That's mean the involvement of United Nations Security Council. In the same case, the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia mentioned some indicative factors for ascertaining the minimum level of organization. On the basis of this factor, we can find out the minimum level of organization of the parties involved in the armed conflict. The military groups will have command structure, disciplinary rules and mechanism. They have a leader who will have capacity to command. Okay. Secondly, the parties will have headquarters. The armed groups will have control on a certain territory. Then they have ability to gain access to weapon and other military equipment. In the armed groups, there will have management of recruit and military training. The armed groups will have ability to plan, coordinate and carry out military operations. Then they have ability to define a unified military strategy and use military tactics. Finally, the armed groups will have ability to negotiate. If any armed groups will have this ability, The groups will be treated as organized group. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.